Link to the instructions I followed will be in the description.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be attempting a copycat recipe for the little egg bites that they have at Starbucks. I'm going to be making my own set of modifications based on the recipe that I found online, and I will let you guys know how it comes out. All right, let's get started. So the recipe calls for a half a bell pepper, and I'm going to be adding some onion to it. It suggests ham, but I don't have ham. I have bacon, so that's what I'm going to be using. It's supposed to be 6 slices of bacon, but I ate one of them because I was hungry. Don't judge me. Some sharp cheddar cheese, and olive oil, onion powder, garlic powder, mustard powder, black pepper, salt, and eggs. And it says you can use cottage cheese or Greek yogurt or ricotta, but I'm going to be using cottage cheese, and 8 eggs, but I'm going to be using 4 eggs, and then whatever the equivalent of 4 egg whites is, and then 2 cups of chopped spinach. So let me get started prepping that stuff. So here we have our chopped up onion, our bell pepper, and chopped up 2 cups of spinach, and our bacon. Our bacon was already cooked, so we will just be sitting that to the side. So now we're gonna saute these. So we've gone ahead and added our 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the pan, and now we're gonna add our onions and bell peppers and our spinach, and we're just gonna saute that. You can go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 at this point. Okay, so we're gonna use 4 eggs. And according to the thing, we're gonna use a half a cup of cottage cheese. Seems like so much. And then a half a cup of and then our seasonings. Everything is a tablespoon. So it's going to be a tablespoon of, it says half a tablespoon of black pepper, mustard powder. I'm just gonna, oh, I can't even get it. Guesstimate that. And then, I feel like that's close enough. And then a tablespoon of garlic powder. Then a tablespoon of onion powder. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend all of this together until it is smooth. Okay, so the next part of the recipe says to fill these 3/4 of the way up. So every time I've tried to make the egg bites, I've had a rough time getting them out of the muffin tin, good, even when I grease it properly. So I'm going to be trying these parchment muffin holders, baking cups. There we go, parchment baking cups. I was looking for the foil ones because I saw that they had those available online to help make cleaning up easier, but I could not find any at my these 3/4 of the way up. Oh man, I think I didn't do enough. So now I am going to spoon some out of the other ones to make it even. I think that's as even as it's gonna get. Then it says to put a spoon of the mixture in each one. So I've mixed the bacon in with this stuff, of course. Come on, get in there. Ugh. No. Okay, perfect. The other ones to make it even. Yeah. Oh, see. Looks full. Now we're just gonna top it with a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese. It recommended either using sharp cheddar or Gruyere or white sharp cheddar, but I like just regular yellow sharp cheddar. All right, I think that's enough, and now we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, so they are heavy-handed again, fresh out of the oven. I am going to let them cool, and then I will take one of them out and try it. And this is after baking for 20 minutes. But they look pretty good. I was. If the oven would stop being annoying. All right, we'll wait a few minutes, then we'll check. The last one's just gonna have a smidge of stuff. So this is the next day at work after I've reheated them for 1 minute. They don't seem deflated in the middle. They smell great, and I'm about to eat one to test it out. So they seem to hold up pretty well. Yellow,
So
sharp
here we have
cheddar.
our finished egg bites. They came out perfect, and we will be pairing it with fruit because summer is coming and we need to watch our figure and all that. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.